a lap to finish the game tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow? I'm going to Mary's party tomorrow, aren't you?
A party? Why, I didn't even... No, I don't like parties. I never have any fun at parties.
I was kind of hoping you'd go. Parties are more fun when all your friends are there.
Cindy!
Well, I better go. I'll see you. Here's your ball.
Mother, why do you suppose Mary didn't invite me to her party?
Are you sure you didn't get an invitation?
Maybe they thought I wouldn't want to go to a party. They probably thought I wouldn't know how to act.
Hey, now, your name's Cindy, not Cinderella. You'll get an invitation to the party. There's just been some mix-up. Wait and see.
Oh, it's not important anyhow. Good night, Mother.
Good night, Cindy. Your name's Cindy, not Cinderella. You go to the party. You go to the party.
Cindy. Cindy. Wake up, Cindy. What? Who's there? I don't see anybody.
Of course you didn't. I'm not just anybody. I'm your fairy godmother.
Sure.
You don't believe me? Well, that's up to you. I just thought you might want to go to that party.
Oh, I do.
We've got some work to do. We've got to get you ready.
Oh, but I wasn't invited to the party. They probably thought I'd rather play basketball or go fishing or...
Well, you've been invited, all right. I've seen to that. And I'm going with you. But you mustn't tell anyone.
Not even Dennis?
Well, maybe we'd better tell Dennis. I have a feeling he's going to need my help, too. But hurry up or you'll be late.
But the party isn't until this afternoon.
It is this afternoon. Now hurry up, out of bed. Oh, what a mess. Oh, well, that's why I have the magic wand. Ready?
Oh, but this isn't my very best dress.
Oh, now look. You're not going to the party to show off your clothes. But you should be clean and neat when you go to the party. Oh, we'd better hurry now. We don't want to be late. Ready? Here we go to Mary's. Here we are.
Oh, I hope everyone is already here. I'd hate to be the first one.
I don't blame you. No one likes to sit and wait for a party to start. And a party can't really get going until everyone arrives. So whenever you go to a party, Cindy, always be on time. And when the clock says it's time to go home, be sure to leave on time. That's important.
Will my clothes turn like Cinderella?
Oh, no. But you can spoil the fun of a party if you try to make it last too long so that everyone gets tired and bored.
Come on, Dad. Oh, look, here come some of the others now. We're all getting here at the same time. Where'd you go?
Hi, Cindy. Who are you talking to?
Oh, no, and I was just thinking out loud, I guess. Hi, Janet. Hi, Cindy. Cindy and Bill, so glad you could come. Let's go in the living room.
Cindy,
Well, hi, Dennis.
I thought you weren't coming to the party.
I wasn't, but you'll see her, then you'll understand.
See her? See who?
See me.
What?
She's going to help us enjoy the party.
You are?
Certainly. See, they're setting up for a game of musical chairs.
Oh, but I don't like to...
There. That's the way to have fun at a party. Join in the game. A party calls for teamwork. Why, nobody will have any fun unless everyone joins in. So join in wholeheartedly in any game suggested, and you'll all have a lot more fun.
Everybody get up.
Oops. Remember now. Don't be too noisy or rough. And don't break things.
Gee, thanks.
Yeah, and you lost your chair, too. You're out of the game. That's what you get for bumping into things.
Oh, she's only kidding.
I know, but don't tease or make fun of others, not even your very best friends. They might not understand. Why, if they thought you were serious, their feelings would be hurt. And then neither of you would have any fun. Now, would you?
All right, Fairy Godmother. Uh-oh, the music's starting.
What do I do?
Why, just what you have been doing. Obey the rules of the game and be a good loser. Bye now.
Stand up.
Come on, Cindy.
Come on. Come on, Cindy. Come on. Come on, Bill. Come on, Bill. You come here.
No, you beat me.
It's a tie.
Hey, that was fun. Actually, you won.
Sure she did. But here, Cindy, you show him what I whispered in your ear.
Just as I sat down in the chair, she said, be a good winner.
And she was. See how much fun it is when you join in the games in the right ways?
I just hope I can remember the right ways you've shown us.
That's easy. Just remember your manners. Be polite. And above all, be considerate of others. So have fun together.
Come on, you guys. We've got another game.
Have fun.
Come on, let's go. Come on, over here. Let's go. Come on. Anybody want ice cream and cake? Here, Cindy. Here, Dennis.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Mary.
Mary. Where?
Here I am.
Wait a minute. Don't write anything. I bet I know what you were going to tell us. Remember our table manners when eating.
Oh, now you spoiled my fun. I wanted to write it for you. Now you won't think I've been any help to you.
Oh, you've been a big help, Fairy Godmother. I've enjoyed the party, so go ahead and write it for us if you want to.
Sure, we want you to write it for us.
You do? May I? Remember your table manners. You didn't really need my help. You knew it already. I guess you don't need me anymore. I may as well be going.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes. You can't see or hear fairies unless you need them. And you don't need me anymore. But you will remember to leave on time, won't you? And you'll remember to thank the hostess.
And whenever we go to any more parties, we'll remember to be clean and neat and to be on time.
And we'll be considerate of others, too. We'll join in the games.
And to obey the rules.
And make fun for everybody, not fun of anybody, or be too noisy or too rough.
And we'll remember our table manners when eating.
You'll always have fun then. Because parties are fun when everyone is considerate of others. Goodbye now.
Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go.
Cindy!
Don't go.
Wake up, Cindy!
Oh, Mother, I just dreamed that...
Cindy, here's Mary's sister Nancy. She just came by to tell you that she was supposed to deliver your invitation to Mary's party 3 days ago, but she forgot. Wasn't it nice of her to come by so early this morning to tell you about it?
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.